So we're back. Hydraulic pump is off. Got the intake and the outtake, the pump taken off. We got those off. We got the manifold off. All very simple. These have these bolts. Go through, pin them, and you can see they've got a hole through, so that's what enables flow. This one had a seal on. It also had this little black piece of, like, I'm not sure what that is. Looks like seal material, however the O-ring on there doesn't seem to be all that damaged. The only thing bothering me is when this one came out, there was no O-ring on it when it came out. So I'm wondering if whatever this thing here is the seal. In comparison to having an O-ring, this other one doesn't seem to have that same coppery looking base surface. Yeah, I'm not sure, because in theory this is the low pressure side. This is the intake, this is low pressure. If this is the output, then this is the high pressure side. So maybe that is a high pressure seal. No idea. I also probably need to work out what torques these need to go to. Torque them back up. Taking a look at the pump. Come off pretty easy. Intake, outtake, as we expected. It's turning in my hand, so when we said we thought the oil was spilling into, or being forced into the engine from the pump, there's a retaining clip here, and then behind that sits that shaft seal, that oil seal. Yeah, I mean, it looks good. I mean, I've ordered one anyway, we can change it. It looks good. I'm just wondering how I could, maybe try and test this to see if it is that. So I'm wondering if I can get some different fittings either side here, put a blanking cap on the bottom there, and maybe try and pressurize this thing up to its operating pressure. I'm not sure what that is. I can work that out. Yeah, if I can work that out, then we can probably test that to see if anything comes out of there. Yeah, you can kind of see a little bit of oil dribbling up there. It's fine. We did drain it down. Yeah, we can go from there, really. Okay. I did hear something splash in there when I took that bottom one out, so I'm going to have a route around. Actually, I might sift that through when I empty that. Just check I haven't lost anything in there.